sum to infinity of the series minus half plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 dot dot dot. Okay, the question is find the sum to infinity of the series minus half plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16. Okay, now here answer. The given is what now here a will be minus half. Fine. Then r will be what? 1 by 4 divided by minus half is equal to minus 1 upon 8 divided by 1 by 4. 2 1 are 2 2 are 4 1 are 4 2. I am getting minus half. R value is minus half. Okay. So now since r is less than 1, that is minus half is less than 1. So therefore formula is what? S infinity is a upon 1 minus half. So what is a? A is minus half. 1 minus r is what? Minus half. Okay. So what happens? Minus half as it is. Here 1 minus 1 minus plus 1 by 2. I will take the numerator will keep as it is, and the denominator 2 is the LCM. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 upon 2. So I will get minus half divided by 3 by 2. 2 goes. So yes, infinity is what? Therefore minus 1 upon 3. Minus 1 upon 3. Okay. Got it? So from the series what is there? First term is a minus half. Then r is what? 1 upon 4 divided by minus half. Minus 1 upon 8 divided by 1 by 4. That way you can do it. 1 upon 16 divided by minus 1 upon 8. So you are going to get common ratio and constant ratio. That is minus half only. Here also I am getting minus half only. So since r is less than 1, that is minus half is less than 1. Therefore S infinity is what? A upon 1 minus half. If r was greater than 1, then you would have the formula S infinity is equal to a upon r minus 1. Okay, but here r is less than 1, so that's why it is a upon 1 minus 1. If it was greater, it would be a upon r minus 1. Got it? I have given it the theory last class. Now we will do one more problem on this. Question number 2. Find the sum to the infinity. Find the sum to infinity of the series 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8 dot dot dot. Okay. So here again answer. Here a is what again? First term is a 1 and r is what? Minus half divided by 1 is equal to 1 by 4 divided by minus half. 1 by 4 divided by minus half is equal to what? Minus 1 upon 8 divided by 1 by 4. So everywhere what will get? Minus half only. 2 ones are 2 2s. Again this is minus half. 4 ones are 4 2s minus half. So r is minus half. Again same way, since r is less than 1, that is minus half is less than 1. Therefore, okay, I will write the formula. Therefore, S infinity is what? A upon 1 minus half. Okay, what is a here? A is 1. 1 minus r is minus half. So 1 upon 1 minus 1 minus plus. So 1 upon LCM is 2 here. 2 will go here. 2 plus 1. So it will be what? 1 upon 3 by 2. That will become what? 1 upon 3 by 2. 2 will jump up. It will become 2 upon 3. So this is the answer. Okay. geometric mean now. Okay. Geometric mean. We call it as GM. Okay. So all the terms between first, all the terms between the first term and last terms, of a GP are called geometric means. Okay, GM. Okay, if a comma G1, small g1, g2, g3, okay, dot gn are the n geometric means, one minute, if a comma if a आएगा ना, so write here b comma b are in GP. See, I'll repeat it again. All the terms between first term and the last term of a GP are called geometric mean. If a comma G1 comma G2 comma G3 comma dot gn comma b are in GP, then G1 comma G2 comma G3 dot gn are the n geometric mean between A and B. Okay, between A and B. Fine. Note. If A comma B comma C, are in GP, then B is called the geometric mean between A and C. Okay, between A and C. So since A comma B comma C are in GP, then what B upon A is equal to C upon B. That becomes what? B into B cross multiply B square. A into C is AC. Okay? So therefore B is what? Square root of AC. Therefore B is square root of AC. Got it? So that is the geometric mean. Okay? Now we will do some two problems on this. Okay? Okay, now first question on this. Insert 5 geometric means. 5 geometric means between 3 and 192. Between 3 and 192. 192. Okay. So now we'll answer it. Okay. 3, comma G1, comma G2, comma G3, comma G4, comma G5. That is 5 geometric means between 3 and 192, comma 192 being GP. Okay. 3 comma what it is? G1, G2 are in HP. Not HP, sorry, GP, geometric mean. Geometric mean with A is equal to what? 3. And B is equal to what is B? This is the last number B. B is nothing but Tn plus 2. What is that Tn plus 2? Here n will be what? Here n will be what? 5 geometric means 5 plus 2 is equal to T7 is equal to what is that T7? 192. I am saying 3. We have inserted 5 geometric means between 3 and 192. Okay. So that is what according to this theory, if A, comma G1, G2, G3, Gn, comma B are in Gp, then G1, G2, G3, Gn are the n geometric means between A and B. That is why I am writing here B. B is nothing but is equal to Tn plus 2. N is what? 5 geometric means. If 10 geometric means are there, then 10 plus 2 will come. Okay, here 5 are there, 5 plus 2. That is T7 is equal to what it is? 190. Okay. Then we have that Zettel's formula Tn. What is Tn? A into R raised to n minus 1. Okay. That is what is here? T7. So my n is 7 here. A is what? 3. And R we don't know. R raised to 3 minus 1. N is 3, 3 minus 1. So what we got? T7 is 190. Then 3 as it is R raised to 3 minus 1 is 3 square. So therefore R square is what? 192 divided by 3. So with what it goes? 3 6 are 18. 18 from 19, 18 goes means 1 remains 12. 2 are. So we are getting what? 62. Yes or no? Is it correct? Here 3 6 are 18. 12 remains. 12 means 3 4s are. It will be 3 4s are. So R square is equal to 64. R is what? 64 how I got right? 8. Here, this will be written this way. 8 square, therefore R is equal to 8. Got it? 192 divided by 3 is 364 so 192. R square is equal to 64. R square is equal to 8 square. 2 this goes. R is equal to 8. Okay? Now one by one we will find out G1, G2 and all. What is G1? Here. First term is A. Second term will be what? AR in geometric progression. AR is equal to what it is? What is A? A is 3. A is 3. R is 8. 3 into 8, 24. Then what is G2? G2 will be what? Can you tell me how you have written in the geometric, arithmetic progression? You have written there plus 1. Here it is multiplication. So what it will be? G2. Can you tell me? I have not gone wrong anywhere. Yes. What I have written N? Okay, this is wrong here. What is that? N is 5. I have to write here 5. I have written 3. 1 minute, I will let me run this. 5. N is 5. No, I don't know. Somehow I took 3. So 5 or what it will be? Again, this mistake is not 5. What is then here? 7. It should be 7. Okay. Now what is T7? 192. 3 r raised to 6. 3 into 7 minus 1 is 6. Now r raised to 6 is what? 192 divided by 3. So 3 6 are 18. 18 carry forward 12. 3 4 right. Okay. We go by 64. So r raised to 6 is 64. So r raised to 6 is what? 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6 is what? 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8. 8 into 2 16. 16 into 2 is 32. 32 into 2 is 32 into 2 is 64. Huh? So therefore r is equal to 2. Okay. Now we'll come here G1. What will be G1? G1 is AR. A is 3 and R is 2. It will be 6. Now G2 will be what? Can you tell me? G2 will be A into G1. What is A? 3. 3 into 6? 18. Is it correct? A into G1 or it will be G1 into R? See in arithmetic mean what we have done? A1 was what? A plus D. Then third term was what? A plus 2D. So we are adding it. So here it will be, instead of A, here it will be what? R. R into G1. What is R? R is 2. Okay, 2 into 6. That is 12. 2 into 6 is 12. Next G3. R into G2. What is R? What is R? R is 2. 2 into G2. G2 is 12, na? 24. Then G4. R into G3. So that is 2 into 24. It will be 48. Then G5. R into G4. That is 2 into 48. 2 8 is 16. 2 4 8. It will be 96. Got it? Okay. Therefore, the pi geometric means. Therefore, pi geometric means between what it is 3 and 192 are what it is 6, 12, 24, 48, 96. That is the okay. Fine. Yeah, again I'll explain the problem. Insert pi geometric means between 3 and 192. Answer is 3, G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, 192, B in Gp. With A is equal to first term 3 and B is equal to, that is this last term. So it will be B is equal to T n plus 2. N is what? N stands for pi geometric mean. Pi plus 2. That is T7 is equal to 192. Then we have the general formula Tn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1. So my n is what here? T7. T7, na? So T7, A is 3, R raised to 7 minus 1. Okay? That is 3 into R raised to 6. Therefore, R raised to 6 is what? 192 divided by 3. 364 is 192. So I got R raised to 6 is equal to 64. So R raised to 6 is equal to 2 raised to 6. Therefore, 6 if you compare, R will be what? 2. That is what I got, R is 2. Now, one by one, pi geometric means I will find out. G1 is what? AR, 3 into 2, 6. G2 is what? R into G1, R into G2. You are going to put the values, previous values, and you are going to multiply. That way you can get all the values. Therefore, pi GMs can go through the problem. Okay. In the meantime, I am looking another problem. So we can do that problem. So one more problem we will do. Okay, that was insert 5 geometric means. Next problem. Next problem is insert 7 geometric means. Next one I will do. Question number 2. Insert 7 geometric means. Insert 7 geometric means. Geometric means between 1 upon 81 and 81. Okay. Insert 7 geometric means between 1 upon 81 and 81. So 7 geometric means. Insert 7 geometric means between 181 and 81. Okay. So the answer is what? I say let G1, comma G2, comma G3, comma G4, comma G5, comma G6, comma G7 be the 7 geometric means between what? 181 and 81. Okay. Let G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6, G7 be the 7 geometric means between 181 and 81. Okay. Then I say therefore 181, G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6, G7, okay, 81 are in GP, okay, are in GP with A is equal to 1 upon 81, with A is equal to 1 upon 81 and B is equal to what again? Tn plus 2, that is Tn. N is what? 7 geometric means. 7 plus 2 is equal to what it is? T9. T9 is equal to what it is? 81. B I said na, B will be 81. Fine. Then again the general formula is Tn A r raised to n minus 1. In this I know Tn, that is T9. Yet I know A. I have to find out R value. Okay. So Tn, here is what here? 9. T9. What is A? 1 upon 81. R is what we don't know. R is to 9 minus 1. Okay. What is T9? 81. So R is to 9 minus 1 is R is to 8 divided by 81. So we are getting big number here. I'll write it here. What I will do, I'll say therefore R is to 8 is equal to, therefore R is to 8 is equal to what? 81 into 81. 81 into 81. We will get cross multiplied. What I am getting here? 81 is equal to R is to 8 upon 81. Therefore R is to 8 is what? This 81 will get cross multiplied. 81 into 81. Now what I will do? I will not multiply 81 into 81. 81 I will get 3 3s are extra is 81, means 3 raised to 4 into, again this is also 3 raised to 4. Got it? So r raised to 8 is equal to, now here base is common 3, 4 plus 4, theory of indices, it will become what? 3 raised to 8. Automatically r will be 3. We are going to compare the index power. R raised to 8 is equal to 3 raised to 8. Therefore, R will be 3. See, here base is common 3, that's why I have to write only once. And the top will be what? 4 plus 4. That is 8. Not 4 into 4. It will be 4 plus 4. 8. So, 8 and you will compare, R will get 3. Okay? Now, one by one, we will find out G1, G2, G3, G4, G7. So, what is G1? G1 is what? AR. AR is what? AR. A is, where is A? 1 upon 81. Into R. R is what? 3. So, with what it was? 81. 3 3 is 9, 9 10 is 27, 21, 3 is 81. So, 3 1 is 327. So, 1 upon 27. Then what will be G2? G2 into G1R. G2 will be G1R. What is G1? 1 upon 27 into R is what? 3. Again 3 1s are 3 9. 1 upon 9. Then G3. G3 is G2R. What is G2? 1 upon 9. Into R is what? 3 1s are 3 2. 1 upon 3. Then what is G4? G3R. G3 is what? 1 upon 3. R is what? 3. Cancel, will be 1. G5. G5 is what? G4 into G4R. What is G4? 1. 1 into R is what? 3. 3. Then what is G6? G5R. That is 3 into 3, 9. Then what is G7? G6R. That is 9 into 3, 27. That is what? G7. So 27. Therefore what? The 7 geometric means between what? 1 upon 81 and 81 R. Between 1 upon 81 and 81 R. What is 1 upon 27, comma 1 upon 9, comma 1 upon 3, comma 1, comma 3, comma 9, comma 27. This is done. Okay? These are the two problems. Okay. Now there are again one more different problem is there that we will do. I will do two problems on that. So that problem sometimes they may ask for 5 marks. Okay. Yes, I will go through it. I will run the board. I hope you have understood. Okay, now we'll do the next problem. Find the sum. And say again one only. You have to set the problem different. Find the sum. Find the sum to n terms. Find the sum to n terms of the GP. find the sum to n terms of the GP. 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus dot dot. Okay, find the sum to n terms of the GP. 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus dot dot dot. Okay, so now what we'll do, sum, we'll name it as the answer. We'll say let Sn, because this is a series of sum, that's why Sn, and dot 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 means n terms, we don't know. Let Sn is equal to 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus dot 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 n. Okay, fine. Now what I will do next step, that is Sn is equal to, I will take out 5 outside common, then I will write here 1 11 111 plus dot 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 n. Okay, here 5 into 1 5, 5 into 11 is 65, 5 into 111 is 555, that way. Okay, after this there is one standard rule, you are going to multiply and divide it by 9, whichever may be that problem, whatever series, always you are going to multiply and divide by 9. Okay, so we will write here multiply and divide by 9. Okay, that is Sn is equal to 5 upon 9, I am dividing it, and here I am multiplying. 9 ones are 9, 9 11 is 99. Okay, then 999 plus dot dot dot. Yeah. So next step what I will do is 5 upon 9 as it is. This 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. This 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. Plus this can be written as 1000 minus 1. Okay, plus dot dot dot. Yeah. Fine. Now next 5 upon 9. I will write this 10 minus 1 as it is. Plus 100 can be written as 100 square minus 1. Plus 1000 can be written as 10 cube minus 1. Plus dot dot dot. Yeah. Okay. Next, what I will do is 5 by 9. What I will do, I will write the first terms. 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus dot dot dot. Got it? 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube. Okay, plus dot 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 n. So this I will write it in a round bracket. Square bracket is there outside. One more round bracket here. Then here minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 is there. What I will do? I will take minus sign common, and inside I will write 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus dot dot dot. Okay, this step is important. 10 minus 1 I have done. Then what I have done? 100 I have done 10 square, 1000 I have done 10 cube. Then all 10 one side I have taken. All are plus 9. I have written one side here. 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus dot 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 n. Okay. Minus, here all are minus 1 minus 1. I have taken minus sign common. Then I have written 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus dot dot n. Okay. After that I will come over here. Now what it is, Sn is equal to time being. Okay, otherwise I will write it in 1. Now what I will do, I will write this series. I will say here, I am writing it here, you can write it in the sign. Since 10 plus, I think it is visible, yeah. Since 10 plus, I am writing this part, I am solving only this part. Since 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus dot dot dot, in here it is. Fine. So here my a is 1. Here a is 10. And what is r? 10 square divided by 10. So 10 goes into 10. So 10 means r is greater than 1. 10 r is equal to 10 means r is greater than 1. Then what is that formula? Sn formula. Sn formula is what? Can you tell me? It will be a into r is to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So what is a here? 10. And r is what? 10 raised to n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1. Okay. Now what I will do? Okay, I will do this one. I will start with it down. Okay. Now I have to start the problem from here again. This portion I have shown you how it has come. By writing this series 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus dot n. That is what I have done. Since 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus dot n. Here a first term a is 10 and r is what? 10 square divided by 10 is 10 only. 10 cube divided by 10 square is also to 10 only. Then r is greater than 1 here. Naturally 10 is greater than 1. So I have used this formula. Sn is equal to a into bracket r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. What is a? 10. R is what? 10. 10 raised to n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. So that I will write here. Now I will come over here now. We say Sn is equal to 5.9 and open the square bracket. In the square bracket, this first row bracket answer I will write this. 10 raised to n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1. Okay. Then what is there? Minus sign is there. Minus. Now see here. This portion 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus till n will become n times 1. So it will stop with n. Okay. That also if you want I write it here. Second part, since 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus n is nothing but n times into 1 is n only. So that n I have to correct. So now Sn is equal to 5.9. Then 10 into this will remain as it is. I am not doing anything here. 10 minus 1 is 9 minus 9. So now I will multiply 5 into 10 50. 9 into 9 81 into bracket 10 raised to n minus 1. This will be as it is minus 5.9 into n is 5 upon. Got it? So same way I will do another problem with 777 See here again I will explain this problem. Question is what? Find the sum to n terms of the GP. GP is what here? 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus dot. So what I did? Let Sn I said sum 5 plus 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus dot in n terms. Then what I did? I took 5 common outside. 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus dot n. Fine. Then I said there is one method here. This is beyond your this one y 9 has been taken. You don't go beyond that. Just to remember, for whichever problem it is, every time it will be multiplied and divided by 9. So multiply and divide by 9. That is 5 here outside divided by 9. Multiply by 9. 9 into 1 9. 9 11 are 19 and that way you have to multiply. After one more I did this 9 I have written in 10 minus 1. 99 and 100 minus 1. Then 999 I have written 1000 minus 1 dot here. Then 110 as it is minus 100 will become 10 square. This will become 10 cube minus 1 as it is. Then what I have done? 10 series I have written one side. 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus dot here. Put a bracket from bracket. Again I have taken minus sign common here. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus here. Then this part I have solved here. Okay, you are getting r value greater than 1, that's why you use this Sn formula. Sn is equal to a into bracket r is n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Whatever a and r value is there, I have to put it. Then next, this one. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus n is nothing but n into 1. N times 1 will be n only. Then whatever answer I have got, from here the problem is continued. Whatever I 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus dot dot dot. Okay, then again the same way. Answer, let Sn is equal to 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus dot 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 2n. Okay, now I take 7 common. I said the same steps it is. I have taken 7 common outside. 7 into 1 is 7, 7 into 11 is 77, 7 into 111 is 777 dot dot here. Then same procedure, multiply and divide by 9. Okay, so here it is 7 is divided by 9 and 9 is multiplied. That is what you got. Then next 7 here. 9 has been written as 10 minus 1. I said now whichever may be the problem, all procedures are same. The series will be different. Then 9, 10 minus 1, 1000, 100 minus 1, 1000 minus 1. Again, this will become 10 square, 10 cube. Same way, just have to change here. This will be 7 by 9 outside. 7 by 9 outside. Okay. Then again the same way what I have done, 10 series I have taken one side and minus I have taken common 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus. That series different here. Then again this is the same. You get the same thing only. And this also here. Now what I will do is after I get 7, I will come in 7 upon 9 into whatever I have got that I have done and this here I have done. Then this is 7 by 9. Okay. Then what? 7 into 10, 70. 9 into 9 is 81 and this will be 7. 7 again upon, that's all. Same thing. Whichever may be the series last, the procedure is same. So you go through it, you write the problem without looking, you will get the answer. You come to know. Okay? Okay, now after this, next class we will do harmonic progression. Harmonic progression is nothing but it is a reciprocal of arithmetic